Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are partnering up with RIRIHAIR and we are just going from 0 to 100. Let me just show you guys how I looked before all of this. Yeah. A wig and a little makeup can have you looking like a whole different person, make you look rich. If you're going to get a loan from the bank, I highly suggest you do a look like this, put on a wig like this, because you just look rich. You look like you're gonna pay back that loan. You know what I'm saying? So if you're in the market for a loan, just watch this tutorial very keenly, because this one they can't deny you. They cannot. So thank you so much to RIRIHAIR for partnering up with me on this video. This is a gorgeous unit that I got from them. I'm going to put a link to this exact hair in the description box down below so that you guys can go check it out. I've put all price details in the description box down below for you guys to check out. You could also browse through their website because they have a ton of different wigs, really good, and all have like pretty good price points. So RIRIHAIR. So this is the box it came in, which I thought was so cute, and it had like a little brochure inside, which is also super cute. Here it is. It was so memorable to me. Like it has like some marble going on, and then this, I don't know, I think this is like embossed. Is that the word? Maybe not, but it just says thank you for shopping with us, RIRIHAIR. And then at the back, dear customer, we hope you enjoy your purchase. All of our products are crafted with an obsessive attention to detail. I like that. And even the box itself came like with a nice line. It's just a cute box, and it had a bow on top. This one here, Kwanza, I should add this to the hair at one point. So it also came with this is just an insert telling you what type of hair this is. This is the Yaki straight virgin Brazilian hair lace front wig. So it's a lace front wig, and it's 20 inches long. I'm not sure if you guys can see all the way down to the bottom, but it's 20 inches long. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline, and then the whole front is bleached, so you don't have to bleach your knots to make your lace look more natural. You're good to go. Like once you get this wig, the hairline, and you guys will see how it looked even before, hairline is customized. Everything is just ready for you to just begin using. So I just like that, especially for beginners. Like you may not know how to install a wig, but these wigs come, you just put them on your head, do some baby hairs, and you're good to go. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how I did all this in a minute. Actually, all this in a minute. Also came with some wig. Oh, these are actually a good color of wig cap. I didn't actually use any of these wig caps for this particular look. I don't have a wig cap under my wig, but if I were to wear a wig cap, I'll definitely wear this. This is a nice color of a wig cap. So these are 2 wig caps, and it also came with a hairbrush, which I have just been using and loving. It's even just such a fabulous hairbrush. So this is really good. Like I really appreciated that they put a hairbrush in there. So and then of course it came with the hair. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get into how I actually installed this beautiful hair and how I did all of this and went from basic to 100. So I'm going to go ahead and install the wig. I was actually just looking at this wig and realizing how well it's been constructed. It has so many good things in here. Like it has the 2 clips on the side, 1 clip in the middle, and then 1 huge clip at the bottom, so security is not gonna be an issue with this wig. And then it has an elastic band with a twist. In all the wigs I've had, I've never had an elastic band that actually looks like this. It's like a bra strap, so you can actually like adjust it to be as tight or as loose as you want it to be. I'm not sure if you guys can see the hooks. It has the hooks like a bra strap, like a bra. It has the hooks on it, so depending on how much security you need, or I don't know, just whether you want it to be tight or loose, this wig is going to sort you out. So rather than putting on a wig cap, in fact the wig caps I have are very light and they kind of show through the lace. So what I've been doing is using a light foundation. So like now I'm gonna go in, this is really like way light because your scalp is always way lighter than your face. So I'm going in with this Fit Me in the shade 334. My usual shade is 350, so it's quite light, and I'm just gonna apply this all over like the lace area, just to make it look like way more realistic. As you guys can see, the lace just looks so realistic, and also like the hairline is so well done. I just love how these wigs are coming nowadays, just looking so well done. Like you don't even need to do the most. If you don't know how to work with a wig, you're still okay.
I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you, I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, so nobody better than you, I know, I say nobody proper than you, I know, one boy and reach your mind.
Okay, to just make sure everything stays the way I want it to stay, I'm gonna use this scarf and just tight and leave it on, tight and leave it on for like 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm not really like gonna get too deep into what I'm using, what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do like a bold look, yeah, and then I'll just list all the products I use in the description box.
Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them a random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that come she, no they do me, she.
Okay guys, the makeup is done, so now we can continue talking. Like I just knew if I talked when I was doing the makeup, I would have talked for way too long. I'm looking for the beautiful brush that came with this wig. Yes, here it is. Now I just want to, okay, first let me brush this wig down. Look at that delicious part. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Woo! I love the side part I have going on, but there are quite a number of flyaways, so I'm just gonna use my mousse as usual just to apply it and just lay these flyaways down a little. This part is not straight. I'm quite happy. There's still a few flyaways, but I feel like if I add more mousse, it's just gonna look too wet hair look-ish, so I'm not gonna add any more. So this is it. This is the final look. I'm going to put all the info for this gorgeous hair in the description box down below, an exact link where you guys can go and check out this hair. You can also check out the other hair that RIRIHAIR has, because they have really good units. And as you guys can see, like, you don't actually need to customize them much. They've really done a lot for you. Like, I literally just put this on my head, put some baby hairs, and I was good to go. So they make it very easy. Plus, hello, this brush is just life. So organize to get yourself a wig like this if you'd like one. They have different colors, different style, different waves. I'll just leave the link for you guys to go and check out all the different hair they have. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This not really a tutorial, but really I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks again to RIRIHAIR for partnering up with me on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.